Few months back, or you could say at the beginning of this channel, I designed an Orbeez Launcher, which I put in front of my drill machine, and it didn't really work, and it was quite funny project. So I thought, let's give it again a new try. Well, I know this time there are high chances it may not work, but still I'm gonna try it. Well, I'm not gonna guess what's gonna happen because I surely knew what's gonna happen, but I'm not gonna say in the starting of the video, otherwise you're gonna leave. So watch till the end. That's the advantage of having a 3D printer. I know I'm gonna give you a short emotional note apart from the designing and all this stuff, but I would say, I mean, if you have an idea, you know it's not really gonna work, but they're like 0.1% chances. With the help of 3D printer, you can literally print that idea into the reality and try it whether it's going to work or not, and seeing the failure of that project, because you need eventually going to fail. So that's what we are going to do in today's video. We're going to again build the Orbeez Launcher with little bit old designer, the wheels and the Canon type of old century Canon, something like that. So we're going to do it in today's video and see whether it's going to work or not. And so let's begin. So I have connected the motor with the auger using a 3D printed coupling. The problem is I forget to put the motor first in the motor holder, then putting the auger. So that was a mistake. So let me just fix that. Okay, so let's put the cap on it and it's done, but still the bottom part is still left. So let me just put the wheels and a wheel holder to it to make it fully completed. Done, and it's looking kind of beautiful. What you say, like old look, old Canon type look that you see in a World War I movie, or even before at the time of kings and queens. These kind of Canon are like very prominent. In front there are like two wheels and they can move, rotate in 360 degree with the help of those wheels. So this is the design basically. I don't know whether it's good or not. What do you say about this? So let me know in comment box. And now it's time to test this thing, but we need to put one more thing as a bottle at the opening of this barrel so that it can hold the Orbeez properly, and large amount of Orbeez. Okay, so you can see it's completely ready to launch. And just to show you how long my table is, this is like one part of my table which is like 1 meter. The total length of my table is 1 meter, so I have like two tables with actually 2 meter long tables. So let's see whether it's going to work or not. And off the camera I tried it, and this was the result. I know this is going to be mixed up together just like a grinder, and it won't gonna work properly, and this was the expected result. So you can say, yeah, this is what happened. So let me just rotate it in front of camera and show you what was coming out. So it was literally pooping the Orbeez instead of like launching it toward the higher distance. That's like the basic thing in like in the designing, in the physics, whatever we call it, that you need air pressure in order to launch it properly. You need the pressure, not some Orbeez, not some auger thing. Actually, this will work perfectly fine for the concrete and for the water or the thick substance like that, but will not work for a solid substance like Orbeez or something like that. So I think this will be very best thing, a mini concrete pump, I would say, for pumping the concrete to a shorter distance rather than a good Orbeez launcher. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and this might work best for the water and the thick substance like concrete. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I know it will not gonna work, so don't say, oh, it's a basic common sense thing. I know it's a common sense, but still I just have the idea and I have a 3D printer, I know a little bit design, so I thought let's just try it. So hit the like button, please. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.